Welcome back. If your money was debited for a failed Moniepoint transaction, here is how to resolve it step by step. The first step is to wait for auto reversal. Most failed transactions auto reverse within 24 to 48 hours. Check your account balance first to confirm if the funds have already dropped. Second thing is to locate the transaction. On your app, on the dashboard, go to transactions or payments. Find a specific failed transaction and click on it to open the details. Then scroll to the bottom of the transaction details. If eligible, tap log reversal to raise an instant dispute directly from your account. If the debit happened at a merchant POS terminal, request a copy of the declared POS receipt or save the debit alert details. If the transaction remains unresolved after 48 hours, go to the support section on your dashboard, start a live chat and provide the transaction reference number and receipt. Then lastly, you need to contact the sending bank. If you sent money from another bank account to Moniepoint and got debited, log a dispense error directly from the sending bank to make everything intact from both sides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.